My word, how's he gonna pull that out on his own? Because if I wasn't here, I don't know if there's any trick with that. He's got two different jobs to do today. This is our project, this is somebody else's. And he's here all by himself. You know, I'm wondering if he's gonna use this thing here and strap that around there somehow and then jerk it out. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, I wanted to see how you're going to pull that out by yourself.
Oh.
What are you going to do? Oh, you wrap that around there and jerk it out.
Yes, I put in here and pull out.
You put it there. How are you going to hook it there?
This.
Oh, you set that in there. You just beat that down. Oh, I see. You beat it down in the concrete.
Yeah,
I'm going to learn something new today.
And then the concrete right here.
Yeah, in between.
Yeah.
He's done this a couple times. I thought you were going to wrap that around your waist or something and and jerk it out. I didn't want to help you because I wanted to see how you were going to do it. He's got it just like that, and he's going to tie that around there. That's pretty ingenious right there. I've never seen this before. Because usually, when I had carpet guys install for projects for myself, I did commercial stuff, and they did things a little bit differently. Plus, they always had 3 or 4 different guys running a crew or something. But this is residential, and there's only 4 bedrooms, so there's only one guy here. And this is how he does it, right here.
Oh, this is too heavy.
Yeah, I know. I was curious how you were going to do that. Okay, now what? Now what's he going to do? He's going to have to give it some slack or something. What's he going to do now? We got to see how he's going to tie that. Oh yeah, see, he's got to get that down lower. That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, be careful, okay?
Yeah, be careful, all right. I'm staying out of the way. As that flies back and breaks his window. I don't know. Yeah, you know, he's got 20 years experience. He's done this before, all right? See? Good grief. He's got a lot of tension on that. I am going to step back a little bit. I don't know. Oh, it's pulling the bottom one out. Wait. Yeah, it's getting ready to pull the bottom one out too.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, sorry. He knows. It's not as... Okay, somehow he's gonna get it, and if the bottom one starts coming out, he's gonna have to push the bottom one back in. I don't know. I can't really help him because he does this all the time. I wanted to see how he's gonna do it all by himself. Yeah. Probably should have put a piece of plastic or something in between the 2 rolls to make it slide out nice and easy. We'll see what happens. I don't know. He's got it figured out. Just have to see what he's doing. Okay. That's his carpet. That's his carpet tool. There to push it down after he cuts the carpet and stretches it, and he taps that down between the tack strip and the baseboard. Okay, come on, I ain't got all day. Let's see what he knows, he says he's got it figured out apparently. Let's just see what he's up to. I don't know what he's doing in there. joys of working by yourself, installing carpet. Oh, now he's gonna do something else. I know, he says. Okay, now he's gonna attach that bottom one with that, huh? Yeah. See, I figured he's probably gonna attach that to his bumper somehow. Yep. The things you gotta think about when you're working by yourself, installing carpet, right? Dude, I'd stick that underneath the doors. Oh, he's just gonna tie that. He's just gonna tie that. You want to, before you tie that tight, you want to get this so it doesn't mess up your door. Here, put that one down here so it doesn't bend your door. There you go. There.
That's not bad.
Yeah. Don't want to stand here and watch him crunch his door. Yeah, that's pretty tricky. Figured you had some sort of way of doing it.
I got it.
Okay, he's got it. Okay, get down. Now he's got her. I've just never seen anyone do this before like this. Because even on residential, if there was 2 or 3 guys in here, they would lift that and just manhandle that sucker out of there. Here he goes. Stand back before that thing flies out, hits somebody. Okay, he's trying. It still won't even pull, but come on. I'm sure he's done this before. Okay, he's got to try something else. Watch this whole bumper rip off. Yeah, no kidding. Stay out of the way. I don't want that thing flying back at me. You know? Come on, guy. Get it started. There. Okay, now. Okay, now pull it out. Yeah, I'm not helping him. Forget it. He's got to do it on his own, because if I wasn't here, he'd have to do it. See, he's just pushing it out now. His back. There you go. Okay, I'd say you can pull it now. Okay. Come on, pull forward a little bit further. There he goes. I think he's got it. Come on. Here. Good grief. There it comes. Good man. Jerk that sucker out of there. As it crunches his door. Okay, he's got it. Now you can flip that around. Yay! Alright. One way to get carpet out of your van, huh? Good job, Ruben. Let's see him. Voila. Now he's just gonna cut the carpet out here. He's not ready for that just yet, but he needed to get it out. Now he's gotta slide it around or something. Guess that's the carpet she ordered. That's the carpet. See, there's 3 different colors in here. Light, darker, and then some little flecks of darker even. But when you stand back, you can hardly see it. You know? So when you go out and pick carpet, sometimes once you get 3 or 4 that you think you might want, you have the salesperson grab you some bigger samples so that you can kind of flop it down on the floor and take a look at it. Because when you look at carpet, usually when you pick carpet out and you think, oh, that's plenty dark, but once you roll it out on the floor, it lightens up. Trust me on this. I've picked carpet out a few different times, and I don't usually do it. I don't usually suggest for tenants. You know, I used to do commercial work, and I would let them pick out the carpet. I wouldn't even say anything. They would say, oh, what do you think about this one or this one? And I'd say, hey, I'm not even getting involved with it, especially even with the paint. So see, with carpet, you pick out samples. When you put the carpet down, the carpet always becomes lighter. And then on paint, when you put the paint on, when the paint's wet, when it dries, the paint always is darker. So when you get paint samples, and you put a little paint sample on the wall, and you think, oh, that's going to work out fine. And then you get done painting, you think, my God, it's so dark in here now. What? That couldn't be the right paint. You put your little sample up there, and sure enough, it's exactly the same color. Because when you put paint in, you might get the color that you want, you know, when the sun's coming in, but you're always going to get shadows. See the shadows up here? That's not 2 different paint colors. That's not 2 different paint colors. See, you get all kinds of stuff. See this wall here looks different color than that wall, see? But it's not, it's the same stuff. It always becomes darker, okay? So don't forget that. Paint samples, when you put paint on the walls, it's darker than your samples. On your carpet, when you look at carpet samples, it always, when the carpet rolls out, the carpet is always lighter. All right? Remember that. There's your tip for the day.